welcome back to my channel. So we're on the way to the reception and we need to decorate. Okay.
Sick.
That's the setup.
So right now you guys, I'm on my way to an event.
Everybody say, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Hey misses, so today I want to share with you guys would not believe, but this is my first ever party that I threw. This is my first paid professional party setup. This is actually pretty embarrassing. This is how you guys know I love you, because these pictures cannot be found anywhere associated with my business. But I just wanted to show you guys this to show you, don't get too caught up in what it is that you have right now or what it is that you're starting with. Don't let people make you feel bad for not being able to provide what other people can provide. This is my first professional event. And then in a second I'll show you my second. They're terrible, guys. To my defense, at this time we were only offering services, not party decor. But even still, I would never ever show up to my parties like with this ever. Yeah, this is bad. This is so bad, you guys. What? Now you can see the growth and improvement, so go ahead and check out what my last spa party looked like. I hope it provides you with some motivation and lets you know that it doesn't matter where you come from, where you start. You can start from the bottom and work your way up. You don't always have to come into this industry with everything that you see on Pinterest and what other people have. Don't be worried about what other people have. Do you with what you already have, and you will grow over time and you can succeed in this business, whether you start with money or not. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and go ahead and share it, you guys. I really need you guys to share this content to help us grow our team on YouTube, and it helps me produce more content for you guys. So make sure you guys share this video and like it and comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what kind of, if you're in the same boat, let me know what you thought about my #first versus last party challenge.